Did you know that combining peaches with certain foods can increase your risk of cancer and dementia? While peach is known for its health benefits, it must be eaten correctly to be truly beneficial. Some foods pair well with peach, while others do not. That's why Dr. Luna is here to help. I'll tell you about 3 foods that are the worst combinations with peach and 3 foods that are the best. Especially for certain people, peach needs to be eaten carefully. Hello, this is Dr. Luna. Is there anyone who hasn't subscribed yet? Please hit the subscribe and like buttons right now. Share this video with your loved ones and introduce them to Dr. Luna. I will continue to bring you the best health information. When we eat, we combine various ingredients that complement each other's taste and health effects. Peaches are a healthy and delicious fruit, but pairing them with the wrong ingredients can be harmful to your health. However, just because they taste good together doesn't mean their nutritional values match well. Poor nutritional combinations can harm your body and lead to serious health issues. Today, Dr. Luna will guide you on the best and worst food combinations with peach and reveal a miraculous recipe. The first thing you should never eat with peach: processed meat. Processed meats like bacon, sausages, and deli meats contain high levels of nitrates and nitrites. When these chemicals mix with the antioxidants and natural sugars in peaches, they can form carcinogenic compounds. This combination increases the risk of developing colorectal cancer. The second worst combination for peach is for people with weak thyroid function. While peach is beneficial for stomach health, if you have hypothyroidism or an iodine deficiency, eating peach can worsen your symptoms. The compounds in peach, like glucose and glucosinolates, can interfere with thyroid hormone production and iodine absorption, making it unsuitable for people with weak thyroids. The second food that pairs well with peaches: refined sugar. Refined sugar to peaches, such as in desserts or as a sweetener, can lead to elevated blood sugar levels and chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a key contributor to the development of various cancers, including pancreatic and breast cancer. Additionally, high sugar intake is linked to cognitive decline, raising the risk of dementia. The third and last worst food that pairs well with peach is consuming alcohol. Consuming alcohol, particularly in large quantities, can cause liver damage and other health issues. When combined with peaches, which are high in fructose, the harmful effects of alcohol are intensified. This combination can significantly increase the risk of liver cancer and negatively affect brain health, potentially leading to dementia. Attention, the highly recommended best and healthy food combination with peach is Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt creates a delicious and nutritious snack. The creamy texture of Greek yogurt pairs perfectly with the juicy sweetness of peaches, offering a satisfying and refreshing treat. Rich in protein, Greek yogurt complements the vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants found in peaches. This combination is not only tasty, but also supports muscle health and boosts your immune system. It's an excellent choice for a healthy breakfast, a midday snack, or a light dessert. The second food pairing with peach with almonds. Almonds adds a satisfying crunch and a boost of healthy fats and fiber. The natural sweetness of peaches complements the nutty flavor of almonds, creating a delicious and nutritious snack. Rich in vitamin E and protein, almonds enhance the health benefits of peaches, making this combination perfect for a midday snack that keeps you full and energized. This blend supports heart health, aids digestion, and provides sustained energy throughout the day. The third and last best pairing food with peach is spinach. Spinach salad enhances both flavor and nutritional value. The sweetness of peaches balances the slight bitterness of spinach, creating a harmonious taste profile. This combination provides a rich mix of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making for a wholesome and nutritious meal. Enjoy it as a refreshing and healthy salad that supports overall well-being. Excellent method we've now covered. Never eat peaches with worst food as it can cause cancer and dementia. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and also share it with your precious family and friends. I always pray for your health and happiness. This has been your Dr. Luna. Thank you.